So I'm back with a shitty quality video that you can watch and actually get what you want to. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually improve your brain health and improve your focus and improve all of your things that you have actually destroyed by like actually consuming social media, Instagram and YouTube and shorts and like Netflix and all of these things highly dopamine and all of these things. So there was a time that I used to like waste a lot of time on Instagram that you do right now, just like you do. So I waste a lot of time watching UFC fights and watching like some random shit as videos that pops up in my Instagram feed. So all these things that you are doing right now, I've done, and I have actually experienced a lot of things. So these are the things that gets high dopamine videos and actually like fry your dopamine and fry your focus and attention span. So in this video I'm going to talk you about how you can actually improve your focus and brain health, because if you want to actually build somewhat business and somewhat you need to actually improve your physique and anything you want to get that you aims to. So what you need to do is to actually fix your brain, because if you fix your brain you will going to fix all of these things that you will going to face, and you will actually going to like get the mindset. So first of all you need to understand why brain is very important. Think about Conor McGregor, think about Muhammad Ali, think about Khabib, think about all of these greatest of all time fighters. You know what happened to them is that they have somewhat the belief of like a delusion. They have delusional thoughts of like becoming a greatest of all time. They have the thoughts of like actually beating up the champions, beating up all of these like great people that you have watched. So they visualize all of these things. They think about beating like champions, and what they do is that actually have they instill the mindset, they instill the actual mindset of like fighter that is so much bulletproof that you cannot manipulate them, that you cannot uh, take advantage of them. So you need to instill the mindset of fighter and warrior that I have mentioned right now. So you need to actually, so what how you can do is to that what so what you can do at right now is that in order to get that mindset is to watch a lot of their documentaries and how they think, how they react, and you need to watch all of them. You need to actually visualize them sitting next to you, giving yourself advice, giving you advice and giving you most like important advices that you can in every single step that you have, that you take. And think about like what will Conor McGregor do if they were in my stage and wanted to make a lot of money? What he will do, what Muhammad Ali will do in order to get a great physique that he wants to, and what these type of things and these type of people will do if they want to do all these things and think like that. Because you have a brain, you can study the plan, you can study all of these like tactics, and you can make new tactic, you can actually benefit from all of these things. You need to instill the mindset of all of them and actually visualize and like visualize every single step they take, every single fight that they make, every single trash talk that they make. Because so that's how you're going to actually achieve the mindset. Yeah, another thing that you need to do is to actually think about like how you can actually improve your focus and attention. So you need to reverse the phrase that actually a lot of billionaires use, and that is like how we can actually, so in order to think about like how you can actually improve your focus, think about how you can actually destroy your focus. So for example, if you want to destroy your focus, what you can do is that you can watch Netflix, watch Instagram videos, watch YouTube shorts, watch a lot of like short form content that have highly edited videos that actually changes their transition towards like 20, every single 20 second. And that's how you can dry your focus and attention span, and that's how you can actually destroy your focus and attention span and your ability to actually give full focus and attention towards one single thing. So you need to do that. Second thing is that you need, so after everything all these things you need to write down all these things that will actually going to try your focus and decrease the amount of time that you like spend in all these like bad habits. So for example, if you spend 30 minutes or on Netflix that most of people do not spend, they will actually spend for 2 hours and 3 hours. I know a lot of things about you, so do not be like a fucking idiot. So you know what? You need to decrease your timing from like 2 hours to one and a half hour to half hour and 1 hour, something like that. So you need to decrease it. So take it like a progressive overload. So if you spend so much time on Instagram, you can decrease time. So after like 1 month and so 1 month and something like that, you're actually going to wipe it out all of these like brain storm, like decreasing focus and attention span, things like that, that actually dry your focus and dry your attention span and give you the hit of so much dopamine. And the next important thing that you need to focus on is that what you input so is that what you input is the actual thing that you output. For example, if you eat a lot of carbs, if you eat a lot of junk food, you're going to actually get so much brain fog, so much lethargic type of feeling because you have eaten a lot of things. So you need to like actually drop a lot of junk food. I do not eat so much and get in the intermittent fasting because what I usually do is that I wake up at 5 a.m. and do not eat until 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. You can actually do and start with like doing intermittent fasting for 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours, and at that time you will have to do the most important task, that is maybe a study, maybe like learning new skills, maybe like recording a video just like me. So you need to do the most important task at that time, and that's how you'll able to actually get the most focus and attention type of thing that you want to.